Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how you can exchange your money using Wise. So basically guys, as you may know or you may not know, Wise actually give you the access to change the currencies or the money that you have on your account. So if you have balance, for example, in euros, you can make them on USDT or USD. I mean, if you have them on USD, you can make it on, I don't know what other currency in the world. Anyway, you can make it whatever you like. So how you can do this: first of all, you go to wise.com by going to their website or their application on your mobile phone. After that, you go to Wise and you register if you don't have an account, and if you do have already, you just click on login. So as you can see here, they already prove that they can actually exchange. So after you log in, what you'll have to do is just, for example, from here you can just, here in this page, already go and pick whatever currency you have and then change it to whatever currency you want, and it will be exchanged directly. And here of course they will tell you how much money you will save, and this how long it will take to receive in your account. Bottom here you will find other companies like Wise that provide the same thing, but as you can see, Wise at the moment is the best in the price and in the service. So there is multiple options, but I really highly recommend Wise for you guys. Now what you have to do in your account, so let's open the Wise account real quick for this. So we'll go here, let's join, log in, and it's gonna be pretty straight ahead. So after you log in, you put your informations, and right after that, when you log in, it's basically go and you go to this page back, and you start comparing prices, making your calculus if everything is correct, and then you click on get start and everything will be good and your currency will be exchanged. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you got, please leave a like and thank you for watching.